Yeah, my name is Isabelle Staude. I'm from Jena, so I'm a junior professor there at the Friedrich Schiller University, and my research topic is functional photonic nanostructures. Yeah, so after finishing PhD here, I went to do a postdoc in Australia. So I joined the Nonlinear Physics Center at the Australian National University. And basically changed topic a little bit, so I could still build on what I did before, but also had to learn a lot of new things, so that was quite good. And there I stayed for 3.5 years, basically doing research and progressing, starting to supervise also some students, taking over slowly some leadership functionalities and so on. And at a certain point, I started applying basically then for junior research group positions and started applying for grants that would allow me to build my own research group. And I got lucky in Jena, so they hired me. And also, I had written a proposal for the Noether program of the German Research Foundation, which was also funded. So this allowed me then to really start and build my own group in Jena. And the university leadership there was quite happy with this external funding, so they decided also to give me this title of a junior professor, basically giving me all the academic rights so that I could really run my group independently and graduate my own students. Yeah, so PhD is a necessary prerequisite for an academic career, and KSOP and KIT allowed me to do my PhD in a really good scientific environment, both regarding infrastructure and people. So I could really feel that this was helping me a lot also later on. It's like this solid basis to have in order to start an academic career. And all these activities in KSOP and so on, I think they all aided this process because it allows to build a larger network, it allows some more insights, building some more skills and so on. So altogether, even though I didn't know it at this time, I feel KSOP prepared me quite well for this career. Yeah, of course. I think it's a really good place to do a PhD. So as I already mentioned, the environment is really good. There are many world-leading groups. You have a lot of topics to choose from for your PhD. It's also nice for a PhD student to be part of such a larger network and have the opportunity to talk to others, to present, to be part of activities and so on. So for me it was a very good experience and I would certainly recommend it. My future plans, my immediate future plans are to look a little bit after the next generation of scientists. So I'm expecting a baby. But otherwise my plans are of course to proceed with this career. So I hope to be able to progress to a full professorship soon at my university and keep building my group and my research topics, to venture out with my research topics in some new exciting directions. I would say that, if you decide to come here, like doing a PhD or also like a master at a renowned school like KSOP, this is really a door opener for future careers. If you get this kind of degree and you apply at other places, like people know this, it's well regarded, and I think it also prepares you well, independent if you decide to stay in academia or go to industry. So actually I was very interested in a topic at that time, which is three-dimensional photonic crystals. So I did an internship in South Korea in a work group there, where I worked with photonic crystals, and I really grew passionate about this topic. So when returning and when there was the choice to do diploma thesis and then also PhD, I basically looked where can I work on this topic in Germany, like where's the best group in Germany to work on this topic, and I found Professor Martin Wegener's group and applied there, and gladly he took me into his team, and this was basically really a topic motivated choice to come here. I liked a lot that we got this opportunity to be part of a larger group of PhD students. So giving us this opportunity that we were not only working very like okay, PhD is a very focused thing. You have to focus on your topic, but it's also very good if you have these opportunities in between to meet other people, talk to them which are outside, like who are outside of your research group, and exchange ideas with them. So this was really a very nice aspect of this KSOP PhD program. I also like the modules, so also this aspect of maybe all the time you focus really tightly on your work, but then if you have this opportunity for a week or two to do something completely different and learn something new, this can also take you out of this box and give you new ideas and so on. So I really enjoyed that as well. Yeah, I guess they were all useful in their own way. Yeah, so the technical modules were quite good also for the actual PhD work. Like one got some technical knowledge that I could to a certain extent use really for progressing my PhD, but it was also nice to have these additional modules I took at the time. I think project management and human resources module, and maybe at this time it was a bit early, but I see that like nowadays that I'm leading a junior group myself, it's quite good to having had these insights also on topics that are a bit outside of physics and optics.